Good morning, students. This is the second video of this week, class 8, chapter number 5, Introduction to Java. And in this video, I will discuss the following topics. Okay, last topic is left, which is executing the program. So I will revise the compilation steps and then I will complete the executing the program. Okay, so let us come to that topic. In the previous video, I have discussed how you can compile. So now coming to the topic, executing the program. First, I will read the steps and then I will explain all the steps with the help of diagram. Okay. Executing the program. How you can execute the program? First, the class files generated by the compiler are dependent of the machine or the OS, which allows them to be run on any system. If you have generated the machine code, if the class files are generated by the compiler, then it is independent of the machine or the operating system. It can run on any system. Okay. In the earlier days, when we compile the program and there is no concept of oops, then that program will run on the same machine. But nowadays Java gives the facility to run that compiled program on any system. Okay, this is the big benefit of Java. This is a great benefit of Java. It means it is platform independent. It can run on any system. Now second, to run the main class file, the class that contains the method main, method is passed to the JVM. JVM is Java Virtual Machine, and then goes to the three main stages before the final machine code is executed. What is JVM? Java Virtual Machine. It is a software. So the main class file is passed to the Java Virtual Machine and then goes to the three main stages before the final machine code is executed. Okay. Now, to execute a Java program in BlueJ, you have to follow these steps. First, right click on the program file in BlueJ main window. Where you have created the file, you have to right click on the program file in BlueJ main window. Then left click on the void main string args. You have to left click on the void main string arg tabs. A window will pop up. And you have to just click on OK button to see the output. The output will be shown on the screen. Whatever the output of the program, it will be displayed on the screen. So let us discuss with the help of diagram. Here I have created the first program which I have compiled, and after compilation you can see earlier it was shaded. Now when it is compiled, this yellow color box will not be shaded anymore. Okay, the shading disappears. It means that the program has been compiled successfully. When the shading disappears from the yellow box, it means that it has been compiled successfully. Now, when it is compiled successfully, then what you have to do, right click on the first program, then this submenu will open. Okay, you have to select void main string args. Because this is the main function of Java, and all the Java programs starts running with the main function. Okay, there can be many functions, there can be many methods inside a Java program, but it will start with the main method. Methods means what? Methods means functions which you use in Excel. You have used many functions in Excel. So such types of functions is used in Java, and that function is known as method in case of Java. The functions which you have used in Excel, such type of functions is used in Java, which is known as methods. So what you have to do, right click on the first program, click on void main string args. Then such type of dialog box will appear in front of you. You can see it is written first program, and inside that box curly braces is there. You have to click on OK. You have to click on OK. Then the result will be displayed. The result will be displayed on the output screen. Welcome to BlueJ. Now I will confirm what you have written in the program, and according to that instruction the output has been generated. Okay. Here you can see when you are compiling the program, you have created the class and then you have clicked on OK. Then this types of shaded box appears, which is a class. You have right click on that box and you have clicked on open editor. Okay, then such type of editor will appear in front of you, and you can write the Java coding in this editor. Already there is a public class first underscore program, and the thing which is written at the top with blue lines, okay, /* and blue lines, there are many comments written. Okay, the Java compiler will not read those comments can be written for understanding the program. Okay, so Java will compile the process from public class first program. It will start compiling. It will compile public class first program. Okay, so the things which is written inside the public class first program, that will run. Okay, the top 2 or 3 lines, 3 to 4 lines will not run, which is written using blue lines, blue color. Okay, so what I have written in yellow color box, you can see public first program. I have made a function public first program. I have erased that function, and what I have done, I have written public static void main. I have erased the earlier function and I have written public static void main string args. And in that main function, what I am printing, I am printing system.out.println. This is the command for BlueJ. This is the coding for BlueJ for printing a statement. And what I am going to print, welcome to BlueJ. It is written in green color. So I am printing welcome to BlueJ. I have given the command to BlueJ to print that statement. What a statement? Welcome to BlueJ. So what will be the output of this program? The output of this program will be welcome to BlueJ. So after writing the code, I have to compile it. When it is compiled successfully, I have to run the code. And how we can run the code? We have to right click on this yellow box. I have to right click on this yellow box, which is class, and I have to choose void main string arg. Okay, then such types of dialog box will appear. You have to click on OK, and the result will be displayed on your screen. What is the result? Welcome to BlueJ, which I have given in the code. I have given the code to print a statement, welcome to BlueJ. That statement has been printed. Okay, now I think you have understood. This is a sample program of Java. This is a sample program of BlueJ. Okay, thank you students.